Hi there, students. Tremulous, an adjective. Tremulously, the adverb. Okay, so if your voice is tremulous, it's shaking slightly. So if something's tremulous, it's trembling, it's shaking. Or if part of their body is tremulous, it's not very steady. The old man's tremulous hand picked up the piece of paper. He spoke to me in a tremulous voice. Okay, so shaking and or trembling. I think very often, though, we use tremulous meaning affected by fear. Yeah? Or you're very timid, you're very timorous. Okay, so a tremulous hand, but why is his hand trembling? Maybe he has a disease, or maybe he's very timid or shy, or very frightened about the situation. Yeah, so okay, he's very tremulous about explaining his situation to his parents. So timid or fearful. Yeah, when somebody's very timid or they're afraid, then very often their voice is a bit tremulous, or their hands or their body is tremulous as well. He tremulously picked up the money that I had given him. Yeah, the old man's voice was tremulous, shaking, trembling, nervous, shaky, wavering, quivering. Yeah, quavering as well. And then she smiled at me tremulously, timidly, afraid, nervously, anxiously. If you're a bit jittery, you feel tremulous, okay? You're a bit jumpy. And we use tremulous in those two different ways. Okay, so trembling, quivering, shaking. Yeah. Um, yeah, tremulous, his tremulous words were spoken tremulously. Okay, and then timid, hesitant, lacking confidence. Yeah, a timid wavering. So, the government implemented the policy so tremulously that nobody took any notice of it. They just completely ignored it. Okay, so tremulous. How formal is this? I think this is definitely on the formal side. I think I'd probably give it 6.5, maybe even 7 in formality. It sounds very literary, and I think it would be a bit out of place in an informal conversation. Then, so yeah, let's see. Informally, shaking, trembling, or timid, or without confidence. And then, as to origin, well, it comes from the Latin word tremulous, from tremo, I shake, which itself is linked to the ancient Greek word tremo, to tremble in fear, to be afraid. So it probably goes back quite a long way. Okay, so a tremulous voice, or a tremulous hand, or to act very tremulously, to act very timidly, to be very shy. He's a very tremulous person, and you need to treat him very gently if you're going to get any help out of him. Yeah? When you speak in your Cambridge exams, try not to be tremulous. Try to speak confidently, directly, and show that you are very relaxed about speaking English. Okay? In English, in languages, it's not good to be tremulous. I know you might be afraid of making mistakes, but so what? You're going to make mistakes, and don't be worried about it. Just try and keep them to a minimum. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Tremulous, tremulously.